पिछले हफ्ते मैं किसी से बात कर रहा था जहाँ पे आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ देयर वाज अ टाइम दैट media that we all consumed was so centralized, right? It's still centralized to a large degree, but the media that we used to consume was so centralized. Like कभी कभी मैं सोचता हूँ कि यार I'm actually a broadcasting network, right? Like
Hmm.
just as myself, and I'm
Hmm.
decentralizing, like I'm part of the decentralization of Fox or
Hmm.
Disney or these guys. Because earlier, how would someone ever have access to someone like me? Is only
Hmm.
if one of these 10 gods put their hands on my head and said कि जाओ तुम भी जनता को दिखा सकती हो तुम्हारी कला या जो भी हो, whatever
Hmm.
that you have to display to the world. Like कल ही मैं किसी से बात कर रहा था, she's a 16-year-old Instagram creator, ठीक है, जिसके
Hmm.
सडनली पिछले एक हफ्ते में कुछ सडनली 50,000 लाख फॉलोअर आ गए हैं उसके पास. Like she's
Hmm.
16 and she is making funny reels on Instagram. Like she
Hmm.
has no business having a 1 lakh follower growth. You know what I'm
Hmm.
saying? If you
Hmm.
went by how traditional media
Hmm.
used to operate. But
Hmm.
now today she has, and like
Hmm.
you had once told me, saying she will now chase the freedom to be able to live a life just catering to the audience that she builds. And why the not? And I think
Hmm.
essay every single creator is decentralizing some existing system that for a long time chose who becomes successful, and
Hmm.
abhi wo ekdam hi democratize ho gaya hai. Like there's no reason why a music teacher needs to be in a school anymore. There's no reason why a music teacher needs to be in in some sort of an institute, like
Hmm.
should be able to make a living on their own. It's
Yeah.
तो मेरे को वो ये जब ऐसे थॉट स्ट्राइक हो ना, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक creators are disrupting how the world consumes or learns anything.
Creator were always disrupting the stereotypes. It is not this time that they are doing it. Historically, they were breaking all these stereotypes in their since the last previous ages, since ancient ages, since their school, colleges, and the society. But what has happened right now is that suddenly they have gotten a great stage, a stage where entire world is their audience.
Correct.
And it is just like in education industry, there has been an evolution because of internet. In India, because of Geo plus the greater accessibility of mobiles, because of the internet, and because of this pandemic, this stage has suddenly become huge for the creator of any kind.
पैंडेमिक के बाद जो क्रिएटर्स के दिमाग में बल्ब जला है ना विमल,
Yeah.
like I'm seeing people around me, like it was a
Hmm.
it was a rude awakening and a shock also. But जो
Yeah.
दिमाग में बल्ब जला है ना कि मैं ऐसे भी पैसे कमा सकता हूँ, मैं ये करके
Hmm.
भी पैसे कमा सकता हूँ और लोग मुझे इसके लिए भी पैसे देंगे. Like I feel
Yeah.
like it turned so many creators into almost like founders of their own startup, like over
Hmm.
a period of like 3 months.
Pandemic has been unfortunate to the entire world, and but it has definitely pushed and make different stakeholders, whether the founders, whether the VC ecosystem, and especially the audience, they have realized the importance and sustainability validity of the online ecosystem, that this is not something that you can ignore for long. I really understood like the perspective of you as a creator, दैट क्रिएटर को चमक गया कि पैसे कैसे कमाना है, राइट.
Ah,
बट मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव डिफरेंट है, बिकॉज आई जगल बिटवीन द रोल ऑफ अ क्रिएटर एंड द ऑडियंस एज वेल. मेरे को रियलाइज हुआ कि व्हाट पेंडेमिक हैज डन, वी the kind of validation or value we have assigned for the education, for the degree, for a certain skill set, that can make us earn money, the similar value has now been gradually assigned to the creator, to the soft skills, to the lifestyle learning, whether music, yoga, comedy, memes as such. Like so many times you must have seen
memes.
on Twitter, memes are becoming, Elon Musk tweeted that if a picture can say 100 words, memes can say 10,000 words,
10,000
right?
words.
Because of pandemic, what has happened कि जनता को तुरंत बहुत टाइम मिल गया. पहले वो लाइफ में चीजों में बिजी थे कि स्कूल जाना है, कॉलेज जाना है, ऑफिस जाना है. वो अपने माइंड को, अपने माइंड को, अपनी फ्रीडम को इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दे रहे थे. सडनली दे वर केज्ड, यू अंडरस्टैंड. सडनली वो घर में बंद हो गए, जो अपने देश को ट्रेवल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. इंडियंस जो बाहर फंसे हुए, आप घर से बाहर नहीं निकल पा रहे हो, शहर से बाहर नहीं निकल पा रहे हो. then they started giving value to freedom.
Yeah.
And that's the beauty of creators, that creators value freedom. That is why they encompass, they cross barriers of boundary, race, religion, so many things. So because creators are essentially the independent person, independent soul, right? तो हमने हमें लगा, हमारे माइंड ने सबकॉन्शियस उसको वैल्यू दे दी. अब हम लोग ऑनलाइन योगा भी करते हैं, पैसे भी देते हैं, ऑनलाइन म्यूजिक भी सीखते हैं, हम लोग ऑनलाइन थेरेपी भी ले रहे हैं, हम लोग ऑनलाइन इतनी सारी चीजें हो रही हैं जो पहले सिर्फ एजुकेशन में थी, राइट? तो जो 2015 से 18 तक या 20 तक एजुकेशन में हुआ कि वैल्यू क्रिएट करना फॉर अ स्टूडेंट, दैट ऑनलाइन सिस्टम कैन वर्क फॉर यू, सडनली इन जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ 10 months दैट हैपेंड फॉर क्रिएटर स्पेस. बिकॉज पहले हम लोग फेसबुक पे, ट्विटर पे वो लीजर टाइम के लिए आते थे कि तन्मय ने अच्छा ट्वीट किया होगा, मैं खुश हो जाऊंगा. अब वो टाइम बढ़ गया. तो इतने सारे क्रिएटर के लिए इतनी सारी चीजें बढ़ गई. सिंस आई probably put this perspective from a user point of view and from a founder's point of view, that what kind of trend which I am able to visualize as a user and what kind of problem I should solve for. But as a creator, I want to ask that because you were already famous before the pandemic. So pandemic essentially, I don't know. So I want to ask that what pandemic, brought you, what kind of change that pandemic brought you as a creator in terms of followers, in terms of engagement. What was that change, was like?
तो मेरे को तो बहुत वॉर टाइम सीईओ वाली फील आई, राइट? लाइक आई लव द स्ट्रेस ऑफ द स्ट्रेस दैट द पैंडेमिक कॉज, राइट? एक तो it for a lot of people on the outside, they don't understand that running a content business, right, which is the business that I'm in, it's a lot like running a startup, actually. It's I am also looking at daily active users. I'm also looking at every SKU that goes out, what is the value in the market. I'm also looking at retention. There are a lot of parallels. तो ये मेरे को पैंडेमिक के टाइम पे रियलाइज हुआ दैट आई रियली relish द रॉकी बोट. लाइक वो तो बहुत ही मजा आया.
Yeah, all of us are discovering that right now. You
Yeah.
are gradually you are becoming the angel investor, and luckily Kuhu became that company, to have you in a creator space company as an angel investor.
Yeah, I think the vision, I think the opportunity is huge, right? Like,
Yeah.
I think most people don't recognize who could be a creator. I'll give you an example. So there's a trend on YouTube, जहाँ पे एक बंदा ना वो YouTube वीडियो बनाता है कि हाय दोस्तों, तो देखिए मेरा WhatsApp चैट, उसका WhatsApp चैट खुला रहता है और वहाँ पे होता है कि बंदी ने अपने एयरपॉड्स घुमा दिए, ठीक है, पार्टी में, तो मुझे एयरपॉड्स मिल गए, तो मैंने उसे मैसेज किया. अब आप देखिए कि कैसे मेरी बातें हुई उसके साथ एक हफ्ते के, ओवर स्पैन ऑफ 1 week. और मैं आपको इसके थ्रू बताऊंगा तौर तरीके कि लड़की क्या बोलती है, उसका आपका क्या जवाब देना है, ठीक है? Flirting as a service, right? Like flirting tips as a service. फटास. Anyway, तो मैं ये वीडियो देख रहा था और मेरे मन में यही चल रहा था कि ये बंदा अगर एक लिख देता नीचे कि जॉइन माय व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप और टेलीग्राम, लाखों लोग आ जाते हैं इस पे, जस्ट टू लर्न फ्रॉम हाउ शुड वन दिस थिंग. देयर इज नो रीजन व्हाई दिस गाय कांट मेक मनी टेलिंग पीपल हाउ टू फ्लर्ट. There's no reason why. It is a huge value add that he's bringing to many people's lives. But right now, it's limited to just making media out of it, which is his route to money. But there are many ways that could be monetized. This guy is also a creator whose audience is waiting to be monetized in depth. लोग stock tips दे रहे हैं. अरे stock tips छोड़ो, लोग fantasy team tips देते हैं और उसके लिए लोग पैसा देंगे. और ये ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग है, ऑफलाइन बिहेवियर है. देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु रन ग्रुप्स वेयर दे जस्ट गिव टिप्स. देयर आर लाइफ कोचेस, देयर आर I think their good morning quote as a service is waiting to happen.
Yeah.
Like, so there are
I know so many creators who are just posting the screenshots of tweets which they read as a service in the form of newsletter in WhatsApp groups and in Telegram groups. So that is happening. It is just about that to which class of people you can create some value. You are
Correct,
saving their time. Yeah.
correct.
So that's
Yeah.
the entire.
Like, where can you create actual value for them that can help them grow their business, right?
That's what the complementarity exists between the startups and the creators. It's funny sometimes. It's so much similar that people are realizing that why we were not talking about this 4 years ago or 10 years ago. It was just because of this wall of tech. So most of the creators, they feel that tech is something very difficult. Probably you can define it. And since I am coming from a non-tech background, I myself have felt that barrier. So startups also become zero to unicorn in a matter of 3 years or 4 years. And creators, if they are consistent, they are creating right value, they also become from zero to hero in just
Yeah.
2-3 years. So
अच्छा है
it's
भाई
all.
एक and actually that sums it up so well, right, Vimal, what you just
Yeah.
said. Creator goes from zero to hero. Hero is essentially status, right? I think before today, I mean, not before today, but there have always been creators who have chased status. In fact, the whole India में
Yeah.
तो especially वो ही है. With
Agreed.
our whole लोग क्या कहेंगे, you're actually putting your heart and soul into having a respectable place in society, right?
Yeah.
Wealth is usually a secondary byproduct of that status, right?
Yeah.
Whereas creators don't think of wealth at earlier in their journey. It's always much later on in their journey. There are a number of artists and creators that I know who don't understand investing, right? All they know is कि मुझे घर चाहिए, कितना amazing होगा मुझे घर मिल जाएगा तो. Again, solving for status only, not understanding how wealth works. So this is a huge problem. That
Yeah.
the day that shift happens in a creator is the day they go 10x. I know this because I have gone through that shift. I have realized after a lot of status chasing that when that shift happened, I went like, oh my god, my priorities are a lot more clear. I have goals now, and I make decisions keeping more long term things in mind. Like, I think status chasing also, you make a lot of short term based decisions, right?
Yeah.
So that day that shift happens, that person is worth 10x more, right? And there
Yeah.
are millions and millions of such people. This is the potential of what I think is going to happen in the next 10 years that most people aren't able to recognize. They're not able to recognize that क्रिएटर इंडिया में तो स्टेटस चेस कर रहा होता है. जिस दिन उसको पैसे की लत लग गई ना, उस दिन आप देखना वो कैसे धंधा बन जाता है इमीडिएटली, और वो धंधा क्या स्केल होगा. Why? Because a creator knows what gets applause, right? हम डे इन और डे आउट ताली ही बजवा रहे जनता से, राइट? मैं ऐसा कुछ कर दूं जिससे लाइक मिल जाए, लाइक दैट
या
इज.
तो काफी फनी है. हाँ, काफी फनी है इसका. इस पे भी मेरा एक एनेक्डोट है कि creator says like us as a founder says that content is king, or startup ecosystem says content is king and distribution is king, and creator have both,
Correct.
and they are not the king.
Correct.
Like